you go. See? Yeah. That's okay. I'll move my hand when I'm done. Good. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, no. Come on. Aren't you ready yet? Look, they're rocking. That's what I wanted to get. Like. You want some more? Look at that. I love that rocking. It's cute.
I've never seen a baby rock before.
Are you getting full? You can't possibly be getting full. Oh, are you serious? Are you serious? I'll just pet you for a while and we'll watch Catherine. Yeah. Go ahead and do your little rocky thing.
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy are cleaning each other.
What?
Easy little girl.
He's looking over. He's like, I'm looking around. I'm getting sleepy.
I'm gonna tip over to the side.
Oh.
Skittles.
Is this Brinks on my back?
No. Celia.
Come here, baby.
Is it really?
I can't see.
Okay, we'll try again.
Celia.
We'll try again.
Be careful, Skittles.
You done? It's okay if you are.
Look at the rock.
She's like, I'll just sit on my butt.
She is. Look at
There
her.
she is. There she goes. The rocking is
And
so
their huge feet
Well, they've got the adult-sized feet.
with their baby body.
You have to counteract the
good.
extra weight going into their crops.
Yeah.
Oh.
And their crowns. Crests.
Yeah.
Done. Saturn's crest is down.
Alright. You don't have to have any more. I think you're good.
I don't know. Looks kind of danky to me.
I think that.
Good Lord.
Yeah, that you don't want to stuff too full. Yeah, I think we're good.
She's like, I'm tired now.
Come
Prop
on.
my head up, Mommy.
Don't you want any more, sweetheart? Huh? There you go. Swallow.
Oh.
Oof, 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 oof.
I gotta back his big old body back a little.
Wow. Oh, they.
Aww.
A big poo.
She just wanted to get that out of the way where she was sitting.
She's like, okay, now I have more room, Mom.
Hold on.
Oh, she's opening her eye now.
Yeah.
Good girl.
There you go.
Good girl. Now it's time to rock some more.
Rock, rock, rock. Rock a baby. Rock a baby. I don't understand.
I couldn't tell if I heard those babies.
Baby.
So we're going to be looking in there soon. Yeah.
Soon we'll have 7 babies to feed at the same time. Okay, Stormy, let's get you cleaned off.
I'm going to just try one more time just to make
I
sure.
hear you back there, Romeo. You make such pretty noises.
Come on,
Where's
sweetheart.
Juliet?
You want more? Huh?
Over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Do you want it? It's here. Are you tired right now?
We do sleep a lot.
Oh, we're just going to rock a little bit.
You're
Rock,
sleeping as I'm cleaning you.
rockin' baby.
And then some ruined it.
Are you done too?
Yeah, Clarabelle didn't like that.
No,
She wasn't bad though, but it
look
got her attention.
Wow, look at all the down on the back of Stormy. Look how pretty. Yeah.
Stormy's a pretty girl.
Fuzzy fuzzies.
Saturn's a handsome boy.
You sure? One more time, because then I'm going to clean you off.
And if you're gonna
Nope.
look like your mommy.
All done.
You're
Oh, I
all done.
bet.
Little yellow girl.
I know that they
Now we clean the babies.
Clean up.
I have so many nicks on my hands from Kanicki's nails. Eye rings.
Oh, I know.
Do you see the babies? Where did he took off?
Yeah, Sonny, please don't be on their cage.
Tess is doing pretty well up here.
I know you want a cockatiel.
Yeah,
pet,
he
and
is.
That's yours, not the one that's
Clean.
getting clean, but the one
Yes,
that's
I see.
sleeping.
I got one more little bunch here.
Skittles didn't make it back yet.
No, Skittles is still up on
Hi,
top
Grancy
there.
buddy.
Let me just make
You're
sure I
such a
got
good friend.
everything.
Wow, look at Pez. He was preening his tail and it was spread out
Oh, yeah.
really wide.
He has a pretty tail.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like a forest green. It's
Yes,
incredible.
Prince, you have a pretty tail too.
Where is Bruce?
Daddy's
On-
not in the mood to play.
On Dad.
Oh, I thought I saw
Trying
Brinks.
to chase Brinks. Brinks was there. That's why he came over. He wanted to play tag again.
Oh,
Brinks
they
says
had
no.
fun with that last
I'm
night.
surprised, Stormy. I would think you would want more. Yeah. He's so cute.
Stormy looked pretty full to me.
I mean, Saturn.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, wait, what?
I mean, look, she still has room.
You okay,
But
Skittles?
I guess
He-
she's just done.
He.
He's done. And she's done. And look at that.
Look at those two perfect babies.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Look at
I
that.
don't want
Look
Blue's
at,
going
you
in.
can see, you can see your little side feathers coming in right here. You see them?
Yes!
Right here.
The cheeks.
And yours too. Look, you see? Look at them.
So cute.
And their big ears.
Well,
Well, their heads are going to get bigger.
That's a wrap.
that is a wrap.